Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how we Sindhis make the green masala paste. We use this a lot in many dishes, both veg and non-veg, and even some breakfast items like Seyala Machi, Seyala Bread, which are made out of leftover bread slices or rotis. So this masala paste is really very flavorful. It has got coriander, mint, garlic, onion, tomato, and so we can make and also freeze it beforehand. So let's go and make this flavorful green masala paste. For the green masala, I have taken about 2 cups of coriander leaves, half cup of mint leaves, wash them well. 1 pod of garlic, about 10 to 12 cloves. 2-inch piece ginger, peeled and sliced. 1 onion, peeled and sliced. 1 tomato, cut into pieces. About 4 green chilies, that depends on how much you like. You can adjust according to your liking. Now all these things, put them in a mixie and grind them coarsely. Some people don't like to add the tomato in the masala. They like adding it while cooking. They prefer chunks. I like it this way, so you can do either way. Either add the tomato while grinding or use it while cooking in the curry itself. Here the paste is ready. Remove it in a bowl. This is really a versatile paste, can be used in many ways. You can even freeze it in Ziploc bags or small plastic containers. So here the flavorful green masala ready for use. This masala is my personal favorite too. Here are some of the Sindhi curries that we can make with this masala. Seyala Patata, Bhindis and potatoes made with this. Seyala bread, leftover stale bread can be made into a breakfast dish. This is the bread made in the sandwich form with this masala. Seyala Maani, leftover stale rotis can be cooked with this masala for breakfast. Seyala Chicken, very delicious chicken curry, and Seyala fish using the green masala. Friends, do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications of my new videos. Here are some of the videos you might have missed watching, so you can check them out. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.